I've been consistently investing $50 every week into the S&P 500 ETF VOO for the past 2 years, 6 months, and a week. The result? A 31.2% return rate so far, a testament to how simple and consistent investing can deliver results. This whole challenge started back in June 2022. At that time, I was researching the S&P 500 index funds and ETFs, but I couldn't find real-life examples of someone starting from scratch, especially sharing their actual portfolios. So I thought, why not just do it myself? Create something people can use as a reference to see whether this strategy might work for them. So whether you're just getting started or looking for a simple way to build wealth, this update is for you. Now let's break down the past 2 weeks. The week before last was quiet, with the S&P 500 dipping 0.6% over 5 trading days. But last week, things got interesting. The Fed Chair Jay Powell dropped a bombshell. Only 2 rate cuts are on the horizon for the next year, far fewer than the market expected. The announcement sparked a brief panic, with the S&P 500 plunging nearly 3% midweek before staging a partial recovery. By Friday, it's still close 2% lower than the week before. Now, if you're familiar with dollar cost averaging, you know that short-term market drama like this is just noise. Consistency is key. I made my regular weekly $50 purchase of VOO shares on December 10th around 1:45 p.m. and another on December 17th at 9:15 a.m. These routine buys brought my total holdings to 15.7 shares, now valued at $85.92. That's an unrealized profit of $2,042, equivalent to a 31.2% return rate. Here's a chart showing my entire investing journey so far. The market's ups and downs won't change our strategy, but they do affect our short-term returns. Right now, we're about $200 below our all-time high profit, but honestly, that's just part of the game. No strategy is immune to market pullbacks. If you look at this chart, you will see a pattern. After each major dip, there's always a new all-time high. That's just how the market works. So let's stay steady, keep following the plan, and let time do its thing. If you are new to investing and want to give a shot with a small starting fund, why not join me on this journey? All it takes is only $50 a week, a bit of consistency, and some patience. If I can do it, you can do it even better. Hit the like button and subscribe. I'll see you next time.